Example 1. Two wires AC and BC are tied at C of a small sphere of mass 5 kg which revolves at a constant speed v in the horizontal circle of radius 1.6 meter. The minimum value of v is. So let us see the diagram. So this is given 45 degrees and this is given 30 degrees. So this point is A and this point is B and this is point C, and which is moving in the velocity v, and the radius is given from the center 1.6 meter, and the mass of the body is given, which is 5 kg. We need to calculate the minimum velocity, right? So let there be tension T1 and let there be tension T2. So for T1, if we divide the components in the upward direction, it will be T1 cos 30, and towards to the center it will be T1 sin 30. Even for the T2, if we do it, this will be 45 degrees. This will be T2 cos 45 and this will be T2 sin 45. So for the first block, when we are looking at, its own weight is acting downward, which is mg. So what we can write, the upward forces are T1 cos 30 and T2 cos 45, and downward force is its weight. So what we can write, T1 cos 30 plus T2 cos 45 will be equivalent to its weight. So this is equation 1. And for the second one, T1 sin 30 and T2 sin 45 are acting towards to the center, which will act as a centripetal force. So what we can write, T1 sin 30 plus T2 sin 45 will act as a centripetal force, which is mv square by r. So let us add equation 1 and 2. So what we'll do, what we'll get, so if we go for subtraction, so what we get, T1 cos 30, T1 cos 30 minus T1 sin 30, T2 cos 45 and minus T2 cos sin 45 will get cancelled, because cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 45 also 1 by root 2, so exactly opposite signs will be get cancelled, is equal to mg minus mv square by r. So T1, if we take common, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to mg minus mv square by r. Therefore T1 is equal to, if we take m common, g minus v square by r divided by root 3 minus 1 by 2. That will be equation 3. So the condition here is T1 should always be greater than 0 at any time. So therefore, since T1 should be 0, that means m of g minus v square by r by root 3 minus 1 by 2 should be greater than 0. By solving, what we get, g minus v square by r should be greater than 0. Therefore v should be greater than root g r. So v is greater than, g is 10 into r is 1.6, so which should be, v should be greater than 4 meter per second. At least the velocity of the mass which revolves in the circle should be greater than 4 meter per second.